This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 Roblox lag. First, always begin troubleshooting by fully restarting your PlayStation 5 console and the Roblox application. This crucial step clears out any temporary glitches, refreshes your system's memory, and reestablishes network connections that might be causing the lag. It is a quick and effective starting point, often resolving many minor performance problems before you dive into more complex solutions. Always start here for the easiest fix. Next, optimize your network connection, which is vital for online gaming. Whenever possible, use an Ethernet cable to directly connect your PlayStation 5 to your router. This offers superior stability and speed compared to Wi-Fi, dramatically reducing latency. If you must use Wi-Fi, ensure your router is in an open space, away from obstructions, and consider using the 5 GHz band for a faster, less congested connection. A strong, stable network foundation prevents many lag issues. Now, let's look at your PlayStation 5 system settings. Always ensure your console's system software is fully updated. These updates often include performance enhancements. Navigate to your console's settings and close any applications running in the background, or pause large downloads that might consume bandwidth or processing power. If lag persists, try lowering your console's video output resolution, for example, from 4K to 1080 pixels, which can reduce the system's workload and improve frame rates. Within the Roblox application itself, several settings can significantly impact performance. Access the in-game settings and reduce the graphics quality level. Lower settings require less processing power, leading to smoother gameplay. Disable any visual effects you do not absolutely need, like dynamic shadows or complex textures. Furthermore, try selecting less populated Roblox servers when joining games, as fewer players often mean less strain on the server and a more responsive experience for you and everyone else.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.